Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, guess what? I have something very special. This is new to me, and I'm not sure if it's new to y'all, but if y'all want to see what I'm talking about, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. Yeah, I don't even know. Now this item is new to me. Now this purchase was inspired by a lady who came into our store, and she had on this particular item, and I was like, oh my gosh, that bag is cute. I knew what bag it was, but on the front of the bag it shows the name of the particular brand, and I heard of this brand ever. Like, I never heard of this brand. Let me know down below, but this is my first time ever hearing about this here particular brand. I did go online, and y'all, I'm in love already, like in love. It's part of it all. It's affordable, you all. It's affordable. Like, this unboxing is very special to me, because fingers crossed, I love the bag, because they have some really cute stuff on this here website. Reminds you of a tote style bag, kind of like the Marc Jacobs, but a whole different style. But y'all, I was so excited. I ordered this, like, I was so excited. I ordered this while I was on my lunch break. Yes, on my lunch break today, which is Saturday. Ordered this off the actual website, but they do offer this particular item at Nordstrom's, Bloomingdale, Saks, and Neiman Marcus. So I will try and link it down below for you all. Here is the item. Like I said, this is new to me. Y'all may already heard of this particular brand. It is called MZ Wallace, New York. I'm telling you, when I saw this bag, I was like, oh my gosh, it is so freaking cute. Under $300, you all. Yes, under $300. So like I said, it's very affordable. Channel, I do all different types of bag reviews. So when I saw this cutie, I was like, I gotta order this here bag. But it do come with this here dust bag that says MZ Wallace, and it do have two drawstrings on the side. I was like, okay, I'm all for trying something new, you all. Like, y'all already know. This is the cutie, y'all. Like, tell me this is not cute. So freaking cute. Like, this is one of those carefree bags that you don't have to fuss and worry too much about. Part about this bag that I like is the fact that it has feet at the bottom. One place this on the ground floor, wherever it is covered. Particular one, because I'm gonna show you why. I know I'm keeping it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the wrapping off of it. Affordable. I already like the material of it. Kind of reminds you of that Marc Jacobs cosmetic pouch that I had. Y'all, because I still haven't opened and used. Well, I opened it because I did an unboxing, but I still haven't used my Louis Vuitton yet. Just haven't been going anywhere worth wearing it. So I felt like ordering something like this, because this is more like a, you know, like a everyday. Not that my Louis Vuitton is not an everyday type of bag. That's not what I'm saying. But I just feel like with this, too much I can grab and go. So I kind of wanted something like that. And they have all different colors. I am already looking at a belt bag, pouches like the Prada pouches that's attached to the crossbody bag. They have those, and $30. I wanted like the small one to put my AirPods in, because it has like a key hook at the end of it where you can attach it to your bags or whatever, or your keys. This particular style, because of this here, because some of the MZ Wallace bags come just like a straight tote, like you don't have this on the side. But y'all know me, I wanted all the extraness, and I saw that the hardware was made really nice, and that's another reason why I wanted this particular bag, because when I saw her bag, I already had in mind what I wanted. The website, like I said, for the first time, I'm like, okay, where's her bag at? Like, I want her bag with this here on the side. And so I had to like look through a few bags. That's why I'm gonna make sure I link this particular bag, because I couldn't find it at first. Let me see if it's on the it is called the Sutton Deluxe, and this here is in the magnet color. Small, like I said, I got these small. They do have a mini. I did see the mini pop up yesterday when I was on Saks, but I said let me just grab it and make sure I'm loving it, and I'm already in love, you all. Reminds you of the Marc Jacobs bag. Like if you ever had one of the Marc Jacobs totes, like those squishy material totes, or like the cosmetic pouch, that's what it feels like, exactly like it. I have pouches and cosmetic pouches that go along with the bags, but like I said, I just wanted to get the one item just to see the item in person. On the front, this is why I was able to remember the website, because it says MZ Wallace. A front pocket. It is pretty deep, so you can fit your iPhone. I do my unboxings, I share really quick what fits in the bag, just in case you want to reference my video to purchase it. And then in part 2, I into the features and everything else about the bag, like in a part 2. And the bag do come with a strap. Not only do it come with the strap, you all, let me show you. It's with this here pouch. Like, I saw a video where a lady was able to, I think, fold this bag and put it in here. Now, I'm not going to do that to this particular bag. I'll probably stuff the bag and then place it in my closet. I don't think I would ever fold it down and stuff it in here. I don't know. I don't think I will. Or, I don't know, like my catch-all mommy bag, because the lady that wore the bag, she was pregnant. I'm not sure she's going to use this as a mommy bag, but like my grandkids are like toddlers. Like I have 3 toddler boys and then 2 older girls home to visit. Like I can throw, you know, wipes in here, maybe like an extra pair of socks, underwear, a pull-up, sanitizers, you know, stuff like that that's quick and easy. But y'all know I'm not always in PA to see the grandkids, so to find something else to use for this inside pocket. And as you can see, it do have a strap that you can detach the pouch. So say for whatever reason you don't want to carry this here particular pouch, you can unhook it. I will be keeping the pouch inside of the bag. You do have, like I said, the little hook to attach any type of little small items. You do have a zipper pocket that says MZ Wallace. Let's go ahead and open it. And I heard that this here back pocket holds a lot. Not only do you have a zipper pocket, you do have 2 back pockets inside of the zipper pocket. Front of the zipper pocket, you have a small patch pocket. Now I'm not sure what can fit in here. On the opposite side, you have 2 again patch pockets. What I would put in here, maybe something like I don't know, my pens, sanitizer, probably a mirror, my lip products, the lip of the day, or whatever lip I'm wearing for the day, my Blotterazzi. Like I mentioned, the bag is really squishy. I don't really know how this strap go. Okay, so no, this is how this goes. So like say if you want to carry this as a handheld bag, all you would do is take these here straps and attach it like so. Looks, I like the look of that. Like I fell in love with this here on the side of the bag. Throw a few things in here so you all can kind of get an idea of how this here item looks packed. I have my keys, and I can place my keys inside of my purse. I have my Louis Vuitton wallet. I have one of my favorite lip oils. This here is by Addison Rae, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this probably in the back part of the bag. My AirPods, I'm gonna throw that in the back zipper of the bag. My Fenty mirror, that's in here, I can place in here, so that's what I'm gonna do really quick for the sake of this here video. Throw the whole thing in here. So what I have in here is cards, my Fenty blotting powder, a lip gloss, a lip balm. This is a lip balm. Okay, gloss by I was about to say Fenty. Sephora. I have my Sunday Raleigh, Summer Fridays. So I'm gonna just place this whole thing in this pouch. So as you can see, it fits perfectly. And then place this back inside of the bag. I do have my Prada pouch this the right way, but for the sake of the video, I just have this here YSL lip lotion, and I also have some hand sanitizer. I mentioned you do have an inside pocket. I probably hide money in there, so just in case if I ever need it. The inside of this here particular bag, as you can see, it's getting kind of full, but it's not heavy because the material is made. It's y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all! How did I miss that on the back? You all, it has a back slip pocket. This bag is too freaking cute. I think there's nothing in here, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna throw it inside of this here bag. Well, I'm so in love. Like, I am so in love with this hair bag. I do have my Sephora pouch. I don't know why it looks like this. I have my Chanel lotion. I'm gonna go ahead and pop in here some tissues. My Dior Glow lips. I probably placed them in the 2 patch pockets in the front. I'm gonna put everything in here because I don't know, I'm just not. So here's a pen, so side pockets. So a few ways you could carry this particular bag. So you can carry this bag in the crook of your arm. Carry the bag handheld if for whatever reason you don't want to carry your strap. Wearing this crossbody, it do come with 1 strap. I say that because they have a belt bag that I was looking at, and that comes with 3 different straps. That particular belt bag is like really big. Sure how, you know, that'll look across my little body, but I think that one costs more than this particular bag. So use the straps. You have to detach this here on the side, attach it like so. Hardware is made so nice, like so nice. You can, oh my gosh, you are comfortable carrying it crossbody. Oh my gosh, I thought it was going to be kind of like heavy, and it's not. Oh my gosh, you all, I am in love with this here bag. Cute. And like I said, I like the fact that you have your feet at the bottom. Made out of leather, it still will protect the bag. This bag is so cute. You see that? Or you a student, this bag will be really nice. Bigger sizes. So if you, like I said, a student and you like something like this, because I notice in school people are not carrying like backpacks anymore. Get yourself an MZ Wallace bag, different sizes in this particular bag. Most likely I'll probably keep the strap, like I'm gonna show you, just carrying it one way, and then I can see me coming home, you know, shopping and just get tired of carrying it. So most likely with this particular strap, I'll just place here in the back pocket. The reason I get tired of carrying it handheld, I can just go and grab the strap in the back, because I don't think you can keep the strap attached when it's like this bag a lot with this here feature, only because it just gives the bag like a whole new look versus this being just a straight tote without this here on the side. Like, this is what sold me, was this here on the side. So really quick, here is the inside of the bag. Now keep in mind, this bag can hold a lot more. Look at the video, I just threw in what I had available. I will be doing a more detailed video on this particular bag. Like, I'm gonna show you, you know, how I ended up packing it, just, you know, just different things that I didn't cover in this here video. You all, I am super happy about my purchase with MZ Wallace. Like, oh my gosh, this will not be the last bag. I'm just telling you all, this will not be my last purchase. In this here video, I'm going to go ahead and go online and see if I can catch see if I can grab one of the little small pouches so I can use for like my earbuds, coins, or whatever extra I want to carry in my bag. Find a discount code, I will leave it down below, but if not, you can click my link. And also when you go and click my link to go directly to their website, I was able to save 15% because I signed up for their emails. Like I say here on this channel, if I can save myself some coins, no matter what it is, I am going to do so. A few dollars, sign up for their email. And I'm telling you all, if you do decide to purchase this here MZ Wallace bag after watching my video, please let me know down below, and then also let me know what color you ended up getting. Now this comes in so many colors. Like I was looking at the white, they have a like a pink, they have like a ombre yellow, they have so many colors on their website. And if you already heard of MZ Wallace before my video, again, let me know down below, because y'all, I didn't know nothing about MZ Wallace until, like I said, I saw this lady come into our store. And I was just so, it was just something about the bag that looked so cute on her. Like I said, I'm a bag girl and I'm just drawn to bags. Like when I saw this, I instantly fell in love. Like I never ordered nothing on my lunch break. That's how bad I wanted this hair bag. Also saw something at the bottom. I'm not sure, 100% sure, but make sure if you do click on my link to go all the way at the bottom and inquire about, like, if you're a student, I think you can save even more. This was my unboxing of my very first and not my last MZ Wallace. So if you enjoyed this hair unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and my notification bell so y'all can be what? Notified each week. That's right, you all, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, we will talk to you later.